Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mercedes McKenzie, and as y'all read by the title, today I am doing at-home silk press. Y'all, silk presses have become a little pricey in the streets. Like, the girls are charging an arm and a leg just for a silk press. It's not giving. But luckily today I'm going to show y'all how to do a silk press at home without no heat damage. Get it silky, soft, and beautiful. Yeah, ladies, if y'all want to see how I achieve this look without any heat damage, then keep on watching. So my hair is a little damp right here. My hair does dry fast and I am going to blow dry it. So I'm going to get to that in a minute. But the products I'll be using today is black castor oil and cream of nature's heat protectant. And I'll also be using the olive oil sheen spray and the TGIN edge control because girl, we got to get the edges, okay? But now I'm just putting that black castor oil all over my hair, trying to get all the strands coated real nice and good. Alright, so I just parted my hair in half. Now I'm about to put that heat protectant on the bottom half. And yeah, we're going to get to blow drying, detangle, all that. And I like to detangle from ends to root, not root to ends. That's how you break your hair off. So note that. So after I blow dry, I like to put a little bit more heat protectant since I'm about to be applying heat directly to my hair with the flat iron. So I do apply that like twice throughout the whole routine. So yeah. Child, getting that kitchen be so hard, y'all. Like, you literally have to burn yourself just a tad bit just to get them little naps, okay? But it's cool. It's cool. We good. And y'all, when I do my silk press, I like to curl my hair just because I don't know, I like that look. Like I like that vintage look that it gives me. Like, I don't know. That's just what I go for. So my hair is thick. It's not really that long. So when I curl it, it kind of gives me that Marilyn Monroe style. And y'all, I just love it. I feel like the black Marilyn Monroe. Like, I be feeling like that girl. Material girl. All right, so I just want y'all to compare both sides, the flat iron to the natural side, and as y'all see, there's a huge difference. I do have to trim my hair, so disregard that, but all right, so I'm not gonna do the other half on camera. I'm just gonna show y'all just the little bit that I was doing, but other than that, I'm about to move on to the top half of my hair, so let's get into it. Guys, so I just finished silk pressing my hair. How do y'all like it? I'm gonna do a 360 just so y'all can see how it looks. Ladies, that is it for this video. I hope y'all liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications. And that's it for this video. So without further ado, I'll see y'all later. Bye.